Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will know how to use chamfer in Catia. For that, I draw some rectangles. Now we apply chamfer command. You can select chamfer command from here. This is chamfer, or you can also select here, insert, operations, select chamfer. I select from here. First type of chamfer is trim all elements. Select it. First element, second element. Press tab button. You can select any angle from here. I type here 40 degree. Press tab again. Now type length. I type here length 5 mm. Press enter. See here, this is 5 mm length in this side, not from here to here. This is 5 mm length from here to here. Next type of chamfer is trim first element. Select it. If I select this element, first element, second element, this element, press tab button, 45 degree, length I type here 3 mm. Press enter. See here, it will trim first element, this one. Select chamfer. Next type of chamfer is no trim. Select it. First element, second element. Press tab button, 45 degree. Length I type here 5 mm. Press enter. See here. Now it will not trim these lines. This is no trim type of chamfer. Next chamfer is standard lines trim. Select it. First element, second element. It will only trim the standard lines. Next is chamfer construction lines trim. Select it. First element, second element. Press tab button, 45 degree. Type length here. I type here 8 mm. Press enter. See here. These lines will convert into construction lines. Next is construction lines no trim. Select it. First element, second element. Press tab button, 40 degree. Press tab and type here length. I type here 8 mm. 8 mm. Press enter. See here. These construction lines will trim. Now select chamfer. Here are 3 more types for specify values of dimensions. First one is we apply length and angle. The next type is first length and second length. Select from here. First length. Press tab button. First length is, suppose I select 5 mm. Press tab. Second length I type here 10 mm. Press enter. This is first length on first element 10 mm. Second length on second element. Again select chamfer. Now I select this no trim. Select line. First of all we select lines, then it will appear in here. First length I type here 6 mm. Press tab button. Second length I type here 3 mm. Press enter. See here, we select no trim and 6 mm first length, 3 mm second length. Again select chamfer. Now I select construction lines. First of all we select lines, first element, second element. Now select here first angle and first length. In first angle we type here first angle. I select here 28 degree. Press tab button. Now type length here 10 mm. Press enter. See here, this is 10 mm from here to here and 20 degree this angle. But in first case the 5 mm is length in this direction, this point to this point. Now this 10 mm is first element length. These are the types of chamfer in Catia. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.